Hey everybody, welcome to Frannie's Hair and to our Black Friday Cyber Monday sale. There is so much going on. We have sales, we have giveaways, we have gifts with purchases. You're going to want to check it all out. I'm going to go over many of them in this video, and then there are also some other videos that I'm either putting out or have already come out that you're going to want to keep your eyes out for to check out those deals as well. I'll have everything linked in the description below, and you can also head over to frannieshair.com to check everything out. Now, as I go through each of the brands in this video, I'll be wearing one of my favorite wigs from that brand. It's not going to be a review of the wig, but you get a peek of one of my favorites. Speaking of which, this is Madison by Belle Tress in the color Caramel Blonde Rooted. When I reviewed Madison in Buttered Toast Rooted, I knew I had to get her. I just knew it. And so since I had already gotten Birmingham in that color, Buttered Toast Rooted, I decided to get Madison in Caramel Blonde Rooted. Madison has become my favorite wig from Belle Tress. Newport previously was, and I still love it, but I really love the length of Madison. She's literally throw on and go right from the box. I have done nothing to her, and I've worn her several times. Just so easy, light little wave. I can put her behind my ear if I want. I could put her up if I want, but mainly I just wear her like this. All right, I'm going to spin and show her to you. Oh, and the deal for this weekend, all Belle Tress wigs, 30% off. All right, let me spin and show you the style. How great is this length? No worries about her rubbing against your clothing and causing that friction that you get with heat-friendly wigs. A quick peek. She has a beautiful, impeccable lace front, a mono part, and she's low density. No permatease that I can feel. Just a beautiful wig. All right, on to the next. Here's a fun game. I'm going to tell you the brand. See if you can guess the wig before I tell you what it is. This brand is TressAllure, and the deal happening now is 40% off of your TressAllure wig, and you get a free, I had to bend down to pick it up, a free dual leave-in conditioner. I love using this, spraying this in the hair. I find it helps it to tangle less when I'm wearing it and to comb out more easily. And it just keeps your fibers really nice. In addition to the 40% off and the gift with purchase, with every TressAllure wig you buy, you get a free entry into a raffle to win your favorite TressAllure wig in the color of your choice. All right, I'm going to spin and show this to you. Hopefully you've guessed this wig, but I'll tell you about it after I come back around. All right, if you guessed picture perfect, you're right. This is in the color 1426 R10. I had her in 1723 R8 when I first got her, and I wore that wig out. I love this so much. The style, the straight ends, you can wear her up, you can wear her down. Very elegant, just a beautiful wig. She's heat friendly, has a lace front, and a mono top, so you can part her anywhere. There you go. And since she is heat friendly, you can take heat to her, keep her straight, curl her up, whatever you like. Just a classic style. Okay, this one may not be as easy to guess. I have so many favorites from this brand. I'll give you a hint though. This is one of their heat-friendly wigs, and it was a newer line. All of their wigs prior to this line were not heat-friendly. The brand is Estetica, and right now you can get your Estetica wigs at 35% off. I'm going to show you the style, and then I'll tell you what it is once I come back around. Did you guess? This is James, and she's in the color R628F. She has a lace front and a mono top. Hopefully you can see that. And as I said, she's heat friendly, so you can style her any way you like. Wear her up, wear her down. Really beautiful style. Okay, if you saw my last Noriko review, you saw this wig and I liked it so much that I kept it. I'm going to spin and show you the style, see if you can figure it out. Okay, this is Win in Sparkling Mocha Rooted. You get 30% off on your Noriko purchase, and your gift with purchase is this beautiful travel bag, and it comes with a travel shampoo, travel conditioner, and a travel hold spray. This bag has 2 compartments. Let's see if I can open this for you here. The bottom compartment can hold your wig. And then a top compartment where you can put your accessories and your products. Isn't that a beautiful bag? Okay, on to the next. Okay, the next brand is Jon Renau, and I had a difficult time choosing which wig I was going to wear. I've worn Ignite so many times and in so many videos, so I didn't choose that one. I love the new Aurora, but I figured I'd go with this one. If you're in our private Facebook group, you've seen me wear this one. Try to guess what it is while I spin. Perfect length, throw on and go. This is January in the color Toffee Truffle. She has a lace front and a mono top. And I just love her waves. Right now, Jon Renau over at frannieshair.com is 30% off, and with each Jon Renau wig you purchase, you get an entry into a raffle to win one of my favorite Jon Renau wigs. If you'd like to see which wigs are my favorites, I'll have them listed in the description below. You can also check them out over at frannieshair.com, and if you should win, you get to choose one of those wigs in the color of your choice. Okay, this next brand is Envy. Envy is currently 30% off, and with each Envy wig you purchase, you get an entry to win their new free, I'm dropping this all over the place, 3-in-1 air styler. It has 3 attachments. This can be used on regular synthetic wigs as well as heat-friendly wigs. It's an amazing tool. All right, I'm going to spin for you, see if you can guess which style I'm wearing. I have all this stuff around me if you hear crunching and things going on. This is Charlotte in the color Honey Breeze, and I love Charlotte. Just that light wave. So easy. Throw on and go, or you can put her up. I sometimes wear her with barrettes. Such a beautiful style. Okay, this wig is from Main Attraction, and Main Attraction is currently 30% off. Main Attraction is a great budget-friendly wig, and now with 30% off, it's even more budget-friendly. I'm going to spin and show you this, see if you can guess the style. This is Romance in the color Nutmeg. I've worn her many times. She has a lace front and a mono top. Of course I can't see. Hopefully I'm showing you. And I always just love the layered look that this has. So pretty. Okay, those are just some of the great deals happening now. You're going to want to check out the links in the description below, as well as the website for everything happening, including an open box blowout sale. Make sure you head over to frannieshair.com to check out those deals. All right, happy shopping, everybody. I'll see you soon.